Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn spoken English through the real-life story of Elon Musk. This story will help you improve your vocabulary, sentence structure, and speaking confidence in a natural way. Stay connected with us, keep listening, and practice along. If you enjoy learning English through stories, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us. Let's get started. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother, May Musk, was a model and dietitian from Canada, and his father, Elon Musk, was an engineer and businessman. From birth, Elon had South African and Canadian citizenship. He grew up with his brother Kimball, his sister Tosca, and other siblings. After his parents divorced, Elon chose to live with his father, but later regretted this decision and became distant from him. His childhood was difficult. He faced bullying at school and even suffered serious injuries. During these years, books became his escape. He loved reading science fiction and fantasy, which inspired his imagination. At a young age, Elon became interested in computers. He taught himself programming and, at 12 years old, sold his first video game for money. He attended schools in Pretoria and later moved to Canada in 1989 to build a better future and avoid military service. Elon studied in Canada and later in the United States. He worked small jobs, studied physics and economics, and explored ideas for new businesses. Instead of continuing formal studies, he chose to follow his dream and step into the growing world of technology and innovation. In 1995, Elon Musk started his first company, Zip2, with his brother Kimball and a friend. They worked from a small office in California. Elon coded day and night and rarely rested. Zip2 helped newspapers put city guides online. The hard work paid off when the company was sold in 1999, and Elon earned enough money to dream bigger. Soon after, he started a new company called X.com, focused on online payments. It later became PayPal. There were disagreements, and Elon was removed as CEO, but the company succeeded. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay, and Elon received a large share of the money. With this money, Elon followed his childhood dream of space. In 2002, he founded SpaceX. The early days were full of failures, and the company almost collapsed. Finally, in 2008, SpaceX succeeded in reaching orbit. Later, it began sending cargo and astronauts to the space station and became famous for reusable rockets. Elon also supported a project called Starlink to provide internet through satellites. It grew rapidly and connected millions of people around the world. In 2004, Elon joined Tesla as an investor. During difficult times, he became CEO and focused on electric cars. Tesla slowly changed the auto industry with models like Model S, Model 3, and others. Over time, Tesla became one of the most valuable car companies in the world. This part of Elon Musk's life shows a story of risk, failure, and persistence, where each setback pushed him to aim even higher. Elon Musk helped start SolarCity in 2006 by providing the idea and early funding, while his cousins ran the company. SolarCity grew quickly and became one of the largest solar energy providers in the United States. Later, Tesla bought SolarCity and combined it with its energy business. The deal was controversial and led to lawsuits, but in the end, the court ruled in Musk's favor. In 2016, Musk co-founded Neuralink, a company working on brain technology. Its goal is to connect the human brain with computers to help treat serious neurological problems. Neuralink made headlines after showing a monkey playing a video game using a brain implant. However, the company has also faced criticism and investigations over animal testing. In 2017, Musk started the Boring Company to build underground tunnels and reduce city traffic. The company built test tunnels in California and later completed a working tunnel system in Las Vegas. Some planned projects were canceled, but the idea of underground transport continued. Musk's biggest public move came in 2022 when he bought Twitter. After taking control, he fired top executives, changed company rules, and later renamed the platform X. These changes brought attention, criticism, and controversy. Even after stepping down as CEO, Musk remained closely involved, making X one of the most debated platforms in the world. In 2013, Elon Musk shared an idea for a new transport system called Hyperloop. He imagined people traveling very fast between Los Angeles and San Francisco at a low cost. Engineers from his companies helped design the concept, which caught global attention. In 2015, Musk co-founded OpenAI to develop safe and helpful artificial intelligence. He later left the company but continued to follow the AI field closely. In 2023, he started a new AI company called xAI to build advanced AI systems and compete with existing platforms. Musk is also known for using private jets, which brought criticism because of fuel use. When social media accounts began tracking his flights, he banned them from X, saying it was about safety and privacy. In 2025, xAI launched Grokpedia, an AI-based online encyclopedia. It was promoted as an alternative to Wikipedia, but faced criticism for errors and bias. Over time, Musk became more active in politics. He supported different political parties in the past, but later became a strong supporter of Donald Trump. He donated large amounts of money, appeared at rallies, and openly shared his political views. These actions made him one of the most controversial and talked about figures in business, technology, and politics. After Donald Trump's second inauguration, Elon Musk made a hand gesture during his speech that many people compared to a Nazi or fascist salute. The moment quickly spread worldwide. Some groups strongly condemned it, especially in Europe, while others said it was misunderstood. Musk rejected the accusations and called them political attacks, but the incident increased controversy around him. Around the same time, Musk took a role in the Trump administration through a new body called the Department of Government Efficiency. He acted as a key advisor and was seen as the main force behind major government cuts and layoffs. His actions sparked heavy criticism, especially over the impact on public workers and aid programs. Supporters praised his push for efficiency, while critics blamed him for serious harm. In mid-2025, Musk left the administration as planned. Soon after, his relationship with Trump collapsed. Musk publicly criticized Trump's policies and made serious accusations on social media. Trump responded with threats and harsh statements. The conflict escalated quickly, but ended when Musk apologized, admitting his words had gone too far. This phase of Musk's life showed how deeply his influence had entered politics and how his actions continued to divide public opinion across the world. Elon Musk rejects the label of conservative and calls himself a political moderate, even though his views have moved more to the right over time. He supports ideas like free speech, gun rights, universal basic income, and concern about artificial intelligence and climate change. He is strongly focused on the future of humanity and believes that space travel, especially settling on Mars, is necessary for human survival. At the same time, Musk has made many controversial statements. He has shared conspiracy theories and comments that brought accusations of racism, anti-Semitism, and spreading misinformation. During the COVID period, his views and actions were widely criticized. His political opinions and global influence have drawn criticism from leaders in Europe and beyond. Musk has also faced several legal challenges, especially over his public statements about Tesla and his actions as a business leader. Some cases ended in settlements, others in court rulings both for and against him. These legal battles have kept him in the public spotlight. In his personal life, Musk became a United States citizen in 2002 and later moved from California to Texas. He has spoken openly about having autism and health issues. His lifestyle, habits, and behavior often attract media attention and criticism. Despite controversies, Musk continues to work, create, and influence technology, politics, and culture. His life story remains complex, admired by some and criticized by others, as he continues to shape conversations about the future. Together, including twins and triplets, but later divorced. One of their children chose a new identity and decided to distance herself from Musk. Over the years, Musk had several relationships. He married and divorced actress Tallulah Riley twice. He later dated Amber Heard for a short time. Musk also had a long relationship with musician Grimes, with whom he has 3 children. Their relationship was unstable and later ended in legal disputes over custody. Musk has also had children with Siobhan Zillis, a senior executive at Neuralink, and there have been public claims about another child, which Musk said he was unsure about but still provided financial support. His personal life often stays in the news because of its complexity and openness. Musk is one of the richest people in the world, mainly because of Tesla and SpaceX. His wealth has grown rapidly over the years, reaching historic levels. Despite this, he has said he keeps little cash and reinvests most of his money. Through the Musk Foundation, he supports causes like space research, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence. However, the foundation has also been criticized for limited charitable spending and for supporting projects linked to his own interests. Today, Elon Musk is seen as a powerful and controversial public figure. Some admire his vision and achievements, while others criticize his behavior and influence. His story is one of ambition, success, controversy, and constant attention from the world.